Part 1. As I say, the combination just now is kind of irrelevant, it's just the method that we're trying to give you. Hi guys, I'm Stuart Lowe, head coach here at Punisher Kickboxing Academy, and I'm here with Kieran Henderson. He is the current Muay Thai Grand Prix Pro K-1 63 kilo champion, and today he's going to be helping me run through how we run progressive kickboxing combinations here. We usually do them over 4 rounds and we layer it over the 4 rounds, with the 4th round as a kind of confirmation round. The way we like to work it is, it's how we build in, I suppose you could call it set pieces. Say we've got fights coming up, we've got something specific that we need to work. We put this in this layering system so that we can still go freestyle and work freestyle while hammering out the set things that we need to go through. So I'll just get into it. It can be any combination. We're just going to work through a combination that we call the Holskin. It's a set piece that we named after one of my favourite fighters, the awesome Nicky Holskin, and we'll just move through that now. So as I said, we can still go freestyle, and that's what we'll do, and then we'll launch into it, and this would be over the 1st round. So we'll just go freestyle for a second. Part 1. Part 1. Part 1. Move off. Part 1. So as you can see, something I like to do as well, in the freestyle section, I don't say anything. I don't give him any audio cues. I'm trying to train his eyes. We're working on those visual cues. He's responding to the visual cues that I'm giving him with the pads, building up those reactions, those instincts. But whenever I call part 1, he knows to launch into that set piece, that set thing that we're wanting to work for that round. Round could be as long as it needs to be, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, and we'll just work through it in that method. Then we'll move on to the second part, okay? And we'll add the next phase of the combination in. I'll just move through it slowly so you can see what we're doing. Okay, so part 2. And I'll show you for this side. As I say, the combination just now is kind of irrelevant. It's just the method that we're trying to give you, that you can interject those set pieces into your freestyle pad work. Okay, so here we go. We'll go freestyle again for part 2. Part 2. Part 2. Part 2. So we're just keeping it simple, mixing it in. Okay, so moving on to part 3. As I said, you could make it as many parts in theory as you want, but we usually stick to 3 parts. It's easy to digest, and it kind of builds onto a mantra that I've used for years with fighters. Drillers make killers, and repetition is the mother of all skill. So if there's set things that we want to work for fights, we want to keep drilling that as we go. We want to keep adding that so that it becomes an unconscious thought. If they're training, we know, say for example, their opponent's got a really good right hand or a really good lead hook, and we drill to counter that again and again. We just want to build it in to become automa. Okay, so the 3rd round, part 3. Nice and slow, we'll go through it slow for both sides like you see it. Nice, excellent. You'll notice that he stays in character whenever he finishes the drill or the combination. He doesn't just kind of break character and stop. He exits well and he's always ready to go. So we'll just show you nice and slowly for this side again. One more time. Okay, so just move straight into part 3. Here we go. Part 3. Keep the exit strong. Good lad. Part 3 again. Good. Part 3. Nice. Okay, so over the 3 rounds we've added layers every single time, working those key components that we want to work. And like I say, it could be any combination, any drill that you need to work. Okay, so, but as I said, there's a 4th round that we use, a confirmation round, where I make sure he's retained that information and I kind of break it down for the fighter a wee bit more. But I'll do a demonstration because that'll paint it a bit quicker than me explaining it. So we'll just go straight to it. Part 1. Part 2. Part 3. Rotate round. So as you can see, I'm just moving through, adding parts, part 1, part 2, part 3, and then I can go 3 style and kind of break the rhythm a wee bit with it. Here we go. Part 2. Part 1. Part 3. Cheers, mate. So yeah, that's our method of kind of a progressive kickboxing combination. We add small sections every round, and then we have a kind of confirmation round at the end where we move through the parts in sequence while still kind of being free flow. And as I say, with the free flow, I don't really speak so much, I just teach them to work off visual cues. So yeah, thanks very much. I hope you found that interesting. If you want any more information on us or anything we're doing, just give us a follow on Punisher Academy, or hit Kieran up, Kieran Henderson, PKA, on Instagram. Thanks very much. Don't forget to kind of comment on Warrior Collective and that as well. See you in the next one.